Hey everybody, it's Lisa from Joyfully Art. Gonna do another video for you. This is a painting from my last video, and it did not turn out. My gray paint, I guess, was no good, and when it dried, it had all little bumps all through it. So what I did was take some very fine sandpaper and water, and I wet sanded it down so that there's no bumps in it at all. And I'm going to redo it, but I'm not going to use the gray paint. I'm going to use black, and it goes very good with orange also. And I'm going to use the same colors that I used in this one down the middle. So the background will just be black and the rest will be the same, and it'll still go with the other orange one, this one that I did earlier. So it'll still go if somebody wants a match set. Okay, let's get on with this one. Here's my black that I'm going to use. Oh, and I got new sticks. Aren't they pretty? They won't be after this because they're going to be covered in black paint. There we go. That's it there. I'm dripping all over the place. I like the color of black paint, but oh, it's messy to work with. It really is. The sides. Wanted to remind everybody again that my Etsy store is open. The link is below every video in the description, along with Instagram and my email and Messenger. Everything to get a hold of me if you see a painting you might like or one that you want to commission to have me do for you. Oh, I think this is covered pretty good. How about that? I think I finally got a good consistency with my paint. Okay, let me give it a torch before we start. Get some of the air bubbles out. There we go. Ooh. With the magenta. And we have a cobalt teal hue. All the colors will be listed below also. We have light lavender. And we have a white metallic. And there we go. Make a mess over here. And I'm going to use my little blower again. Like I said, I don't want to blow it all off of the canvas. Off of there. Got some white paint on there. Got some canvas showing I want to get rid of or get covered before we start. There we go. All right, here we go. Let's hope for the best. Maybe too much black paint. can always blow some of it off with my tiny blower. I think I'm going to add some more paint in, get some more color into it. Got a little bit too much black paint. Try this. Okay, I don't like this, so I'm going to just get rid of it. Dab your finger in it and get rid of the little places that it blew over. I think that looks pretty nice. And the ripples in the paint, those will even out as it dries. That is why we use floetrol in the paint mix. That's why I mix my paints with floetrol, because it will even out as the paint dries. And you always want to have a stick and scrape off the bottom of your paintings so it doesn't pull down your design. And you want to do that several times during the drying process. Just come back every so often, oops, and scrape it to make sure that everything's going good and it's not pulling your design down. Okay, I told you about my Etsy store. Please go buy it, because there's paintings on there that you haven't seen before, that I did before I started my YouTube channel. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Share with your family and friends. I sure would appreciate it. Subscribe. I think I said that. I have a horrible memory. Comment if you so desire. I do commission work, so if there's something you want done for a friend or a family member or for yourself, please let me know and I'll try my best to do it for you. Don't forget about the 100 subscriber giveaway. We're getting close. And there's a close-up for you. I think that'll look really good with the orange one. If you want a set, or if you want somebody wants to purchase just one of them, that's okay too. Thank you so much for watching. And as always, please have a great day.